welcome back to another video. And today I'm here with a special guest, Space Cat, whose parents won't let her Sophie. Whose parents won't let her have a YouTube channel. Yeah, so that was my friend Sophie. If she ever does get a YouTube channel, what will you call it? The Adventures of Space Cat. I'm Space Cat. So, yeah, I will let you know. And if I have a YouTube channel, you will be called The Astronauts. So, it's like you're in space and I'm a cat. Yeah. You get that. All right. So, if she gets a YouTube channel, I will let you guys know. So but right now, we are doing a slime review. I have 3. She has more. I have like 20. So first thing, step, roll up your sleeves. Take off your watches if you have one. Second step, Kaylee needs to grab supplies. Third step, wait here for Kaylee. Yep. And fourth step, look at this cool thing. Speak life, speak life. The darkest night, I speak life. Wait. Speak life. Okay. I speak death. Speak death. No. That went extremely long. Yeah. So I grabbed this plate so the slimes would not contain all the ickiness on the table because it does not look very clean right now. So this is going to be our thingy. Okay, should we do it rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to choose the first slime? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Or should we do Pikachu for it? You guys don't know what Pikachu is. Okay, we'll show you what Pikachu is. Pikachu! Don't do it hard. Pikachu! So I get to choose the first one. Pika. And I think I'm gonna go for my slime collection because she has only 3 slimes and I have a lot more. So I wanna save her slimes for like the grand finale kind of. The grand finale. So I think I'm going to go with a purple slime, which will magically appear in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Poof! It's here. Okay, so. Hi, Mother. Hello. You're in our video. So this is a purple beaded slime. I'm gonna put it on this.
I haven't seen that one yet. I saw on another one.
Okay, so I say whoever wins gets to test out the slime first.
Yeah.
Okay, so and kind of like review the slime.
Here, I'll fix it.
Yeah, put it down. That's good. That's good. Right there. So
you still can't see it there.
Yeah.
Oh, there, that's
so this is a nice purple slime. It's a tad bit sticky, but you can't really tell. But let's listen to the clickiness. Can't really hear it.
Because the sink is on.
Yeah, but that's the clickiness. And then for stretchy, for sure, I say this pass. 1 second. I gotta show the stretchiness.
We gotta rate it. We have to rate it, Kaylee.
Yes, but still, look at that stretchy. Okay,
and
so
I like how it looks like when you stretch it like that. It looks like there's little molecules here.
Yeah, so like there's
it looks like it's molecules.
Yeah, there's white beads in this slime.
Ooh, I like this.
Yeah.
One. I haven't.
Make sure when you play with it, you want the plate under because this is a sticky one.
Swirl. I'm gonna make an Instagram swirl. Okay. I'm not the best at them, but I'm going to try.
And then I'll also do one.
Mine's are always fails. See, this is my fail Instagram swirl.
Pretty nice.
I'm going to try one more again.
Okay.
One more time because that one I messed up.
And then I'll show you how to do it properly. You're kind of doing it properly.
It sort of works. It's just not very good.
Yeah,
okay. Instagram swirl.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Yes, wait, stretch. Stretchy test? Oh, breaky test.
It's because I went fast.
That's the breaky test.
Okay. So how you do it is you grab the 2 ends, you stretch
throw it on the table.
Okay, so I need to restart. So running slimes with like that, you want to be able to do it again. You stretch it nice and slow. You wanted to let it droop to your hands, which is
a little bit.
And then once
Wow,
it's
that's
about
good.
the good consistency. So this
That's good.
This one's more liquidy. As you know, my other Instagram swirls, they're better, but this one's a little liquidy, so it's not
a bunny
as good.
plate. I don't know if they can see that. Bunny plate.
There
Bunny
we go.
plate.
Okay, so okay,
I'm gonna poke it. I don't know if you guys can hear that.
Okay, so I think one last test and then we vote.
I'm shaking the table.
No, one last test and then we vote.
And then
do you know this final test?
Is it the slime bubble test?
Yeah, I always say this one for finale. So
Bloopy, bloopy,
yeah.
bloopy,
So I'm really good at
and then we'll yell out the
bubbles.
rating at the same time.
Yeah. So I'm semi good at slime bubbles. So this slime
That wasn't fail.
This slime is mean.
We can each do a slime one.
Yeah.
A slime bubble.
We each get like let's say five
tries.
Three tries.
Three.
Yeah.
So you have 2 more left.
Fail.
Okay, one more try because this slime is not very good.
Yeah, this slime is beta slime, so it does not work as well.
My slime is foam slime. Oh my gosh! Did you guys see how big that was?
I did.
Oh my god!
It counts, even though it probably was like this far off the ground. It counts.
It was like this far off the ground.
It's okay.
My turn. My turn.
Okay. See.
Oh.
That's actually pretty good.
I get 2 more.
Yeah.
Even if you do it the correct
The thing
time.
the last one that I did, I used the front. I used
yeah.
the front for it. Because that's also another way.
Yeah, that was a sort of bad, sort of good. I like using the back. She likes using the front.
Yeah. I actually used to always use the back until I watched a YouTube channel and they were using the front and they got
that was a fail, but I got at least one.
Yeah. You got a semi one. Okay.
Right,
so we each are going to play with this slime for about like 1 minute.
We'll just do this for a little bit because we already played with it.
Yeah, we each get to play with this slime for let's say 30 seconds and then we'll rate it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to go first?
Well, no. Let's just not for a specific amount of time. Just until we feel like we're done.
Okay. Oh, this is nice slime, honestly.
Look I'm gonna make something.
I don't really.
I'm a unicorn. I can't actually put it on my head because it's stuck in my hair.
And it can also ruin your face.
Oh, who wants to see an old-fashioned slime bubble, as I call it?
Oh. What's it? Oh, that one.
Yeah, I don't think the slime can do it.
Yeah, this slime cannot do an old-fashioned slime bubble, but when we get to a slime, we might do it.
Yeah, one of my slimes might do it.
Yes.
My slimes are over here in the camera. Hers
here.
are over there off the camera.
Oh, okay.
Are you done? I feel like you're done yet?
Yes, I feel
Me
like
too.
I'm done. Okay, put on the plate. Ready?
3, 2, 1, 7.
I rated it a 6.
I almost did a 6, but it's mine is because it doesn't do old-fashioned slime bubbles and it tears.
Mine was because it is a little rippy. It's
kind of liquidy too.
I like liquidy slime, so that I'm perfectly fine with liquidy. But
you probably should put that time in.
But the reason is it's a tad bit stickier than I like it, and it doesn't perfectly make slime bubbles like I enjoy. So, okay. So, should we form a little line right here on how high?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going.
How good it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so
let's move the plate up. 10 is over
here.
let's
do it on the highest rate. Okay, so this one right now is the highest rated because it's only one. Okay,
this is the first one.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu.
Oh, you won.
Pikachu.
Okay, so I won that one.
Again.
Wait, do I have 3 of the same slimes? Oh, I have 3 of the same slimes. Oops.
Just put 2 of them away.
Okay,
I probably have so much of it, you have to put 3 containers, maybe.
Probably. I think I'm going to choose.
These will be the last 3. Mine will be the last But this one should be the last one. So I'm just going to show her first, second, third.
Okay.
Put it in the order. So here, let's put them in the order.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Probably don't.
Okay, I'm going to choose. I'm gonna go with this big one. Ugh.
Oh
I remember this slime.
I don't remember. Wait, I've never seen
It's because I dyed it green.
Ugh.
This was my orange one.
Does that have connectant in it?
No, this is all cloud slime.
Oh.
Might want to be careful when you touch it.
Does it dye your hands?
It might stain a little.
How sticky is it? I'm just gonna put my hand.
Oh, it's a little sticky. Have you not
I'm gonna
seen
put my
me?
finger there for a little bit and see how sticky it is. Okay, it's pretty sticky.
It's still pretty sticky, yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, so that's what's
I like it. It's kind of.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
so,
my hands are a little green. You guys.
yeah. So
Just like Jordan, I'm gonna turn to the Hulk.
So I'm perfectly fine with getting my hands green, so
Yeah,
I will
me
be
too.
mainly playing with it.
I don't care.
Okay. So this slime is a tad bit sticky. Here, I'll give you half.
Well, just a little bit.
Hey.
Works.
Here.
Ah!
I had to go fast. So this slime
Oh,
does
yeah.
stain your hands, which is the sad thing. It will not make slime bubbles. Here, I don't think it will click. It clicks. Okay, guys, listen to this.
Some they drop on the table.
Pretty good.
Just like watch
Yeah.
even an old-fashioned slime bubble or a regular slime bubble.
It won't do one because look, it's snow slime.
Snows. I've never had touched a cloud slime. That was my first cloud slime I've ever seen or touched. Actually, in real life, this is the first cloud slime I've ever seen in real
Okay.
life.
So it's a tad bit sticky. It won't make slime bubbles. It is clicky, but I want to try an Instagram swirl. He's weird.
Leave, old man. I'm kidding.
He's not old. He's young. So it will not do
Not that
Instagram
young.
swirls. It will not.
I'm gonna try. That works. Nope, it just fell on the table.
This
My
is
hands are. I'm turning into the Hulk.
okay,
Look.
guys. This is as best of an Instagram.
Oh my gosh,
swirl
look at
you can
Kaylee's
get.
hands. Look at Kaylee's hands. Oh my gosh, we're turning
Okay.
into the Hulk. But look at my hands too. But they're not as green as yours.
Yeah. Okay, so are you ready to rate it or no?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
5.
Put this on here.
3,
2, 1, 3.
3. Stop! We both rated. I don't like it.
It's stainy. It doesn't make a slime bubble. It's too sticky for me, and also
Yeah, but it's so like weird, like the weird texture at the top.
it's because it's snow slime.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't like the color either.
I don't pay attention to the color,
like
and
the
I kind of like green, so that's
But look at my hands.
that's
guys.
why
I don't know
it's a
if you
3
can
and
see.
not a 2.
And that is all she wrote.
No. No, it's
No?
not.
Good thing my face wasn't on there.
Oh no. Okay, so next slime. Wait, let's do.
Ready, sweaty, goey! Ready, sweaty, goey!
Okay, do we do 2 out of 3?
2 out of 3.
Ready, sweaty, goey.
Let's see how we can get 3 first.
Okay.
Ready, sweaty, goey! Ready, sweaty, goey! Ready, sweaty, goey! You won. And so shout out to Jordan and Audrey and
Just Jordan 33, all around Audrey, that YouTube family, and Jake and
Wow.
Todd.
She keeps winning. Red, sweat, goey. Sweat, sweat, sweat.
Wait, does this have slime? Oh, right. This is another one of the same slime. Oh, God. I have so many options of it. Okay. I only have 4 slimes left.
And I have 3.
Yeah,
5, 6,
I
7.
think
I can't count.
I'm going to go with a sticky-ish slime.
And I'm not touching. I'm kidding.
It's kind of sticky. So this one is a clear glue slime.
Oh, cool.
This one used to be pink, but it kind of died.
It died! No! Oh! Dab! Sneeze, dab! Achoo! Achoo! I'm horrible at that.
It died because it's a little sticky and it's ripping.
Wait, Kaylee. We're going to show you the special dab. You ready? Ready, set.
That didn't work.
Dab! Dab, 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 dab.
Okay. So
High 5 dab.
here, I'll give
High 5 dab.
Here you
You
go.
have to do the high 5 dab, not the low 5
There you
dab.
go.
Low 5, high 5, middle 5.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So this one
Oh,
is,
it's kind of like my slime.
as you can tell, it's clear glue.
Make a slime bubble, old-fashioned slime. I'm gonna make an old-fashioned slime bubble.
I don't know if it'll work. Oh, it worked.
That's the big slime bubble I've ever made. Oh my god, it's so big. You do regular slime bubble, Kaylee.
Okay. Okay.
Did you see how big that was?
Yes, I did. I made it!
I saw that. I didn't
It
really see
deflated.
My turn. It's on my hands. I gotta get it off real quick.
See, you can't let it melt in your hand, really.
It didn't. Like when I made the old-fashioned slime bubble.
Okay. I recommend going it like that for this one.
Can I use that portion? Because that portion,
Yeah.
this portion is bigger.
I still made a slime bubble with it.
That didn't work.
Pretty good, though. Okay, 3 tries slime bubble.
Yeah.
So we each used one.
Nah. Again. Okay, one last try.
This slime is kind of turning gray.
That's okay. I kind of like the grayish color.
I might actually add food dye to it.
Oh, did you not see that? It was a mini slime bubble.
Okay. So, okay, let's put it back in the middle. Do you have your rating?
Actually, yes.
Okay. Let me think of mine. Oh, it's so hard to choose. I think I have mine. Okay.
Me too.
3,
3, 2, 1,
7.
Oh, just like the other one, but we switched.
7. Yeah. So I rated it to 7 because it is sticky. It's actually a good portion for the car, like for a car ride. It's
I'd never take some of the car out here to kill.
It's nice and stretchy. I love how it's like a window and it's clear glue. And also it makes pretty good slime bubbles. Just saying, hands down, it makes good slime bubbles.
That I can't make.
Yeah. So I actually really like the slime. What did you rate?
I rated it a 6 because
Okay.
it's same as your reasons,
Okay.
but it's just, I
Wait.
just don't like it.
Oh no. We have to do rock, paper, scissors because this one got voted 6 and this one got voted 6 too. Let's do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to choose which one is the higher rated.
Okay.
Which one's 7?
Well, no, wait. Just what do you think is higher rated?
I would probably choose this one.
2, actually.
Okay. What, Mom? Oh, we can wait a little. Just a little bit.
Table. It's hot,
Okay.
and if you're still hungry, you can have more.
Okay.
Yay.
Let's do ready, sweaty, good.
Ready, sweaty, goey. Ready, sweaty, goey. Ready, sweaty, goey.
Whoever wins this round.
Ready, sweaty, goey. No, I keep losing.
Okay.
We should do whoever gets the 3, actually. Please, give me one more.
Fine.
Ready, sweaty, goey. Yeah, but we'll do it
I
one more time.
purposely
No, we'll do
lost.
it one more time.
No.
No, remember, because now that's 2. Yeah. Ready, sweaty, goey. Yeah.
You're welcome. You can also choose from your slime. You
No,
know.
that one's gonna be the last one. I want to try this one. I haven't seen this one.
Stains your hands.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, I like this one.
Okay.
This is kinetic sand slime.
It's not a kinetic sand slime. It's a snow slime.
Well,
It's a
snow slime.
There's
can
like
I
no kinetic sand in it.
open this. I can't. My fingers are dying.
You don't even need fingers. You just need your palm. This one's like not sticky at all.
I love it. Oh look, we have a block.
Here, I'll put it
We have a
in.
block.
Hi!
I love this one.
So
Oh my
this
gosh.
one, I feel like
It's
is
poop slime.
maybe it's not brown though.
It is.
It's black.
Oh, it's brown. Look.
This is black. You're colorblind.
You're colorblind.
You're colorblind.
Swirl.
So
Guys, I want to show you this thing. I put it on a game I have. I was wondering. Since my name is Sing Time Beach. It's called Surfer Swirl. For people who are bad at making swirls, watch. You put it around your fingers, and then you just swirl it, and then it's supposed. This one doesn't work very well, but it's supposed to be bad. So if you're bad at making swirls, it's perfect. Because look, it's a bad swirl on purpose, and it's
Boom.
perfect for people who are bad at making. I want to make an Instagram swirl.
this one's a little runny, so you gotta be careful.
That doesn't work. How do you do that?
Ooh, slime bubble.
Well, I make an Instagram swirl. That almost ended up not.
I made one.
I need to redo that. Third time try.
Third time's the charm.
Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. I need to really put it on now, so Kaylee, you'll have to move. That kind of failed. Yeah. I'm gonna play the log cases.
Okay. I need to get this one. Doesn't really work because it's a mix of a snow slime. Two snow slimes.
Old-fashioned one. I'm gonna try an old-fashioned one while she does that.
This won't work for old fashioned. See?
Hey, close. I almost did.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have your rating or no?
No, I want to try it.
Okay. Yeah. Get your rating. Wait. Let's hear Clicky. That's good.
That's pretty good. Okay, that's close.
Yeah. This one's hard to make slime bubbles with.
And you did it. If you can do it, I can do it.
I did it once. But still, if I say it's hard, then it's hard.
She's like the master of slime. Almost. At least for kids.
I feel like,
Jordan is.
yeah, I feel like she is.
That failed. Okay. I
Do you
have
have
my
your
rating.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
One!
I gave it a 1. I meant 3. 3.
One?
I give it a 3. One,
Why?
it's horrible at making slime bubbles.
Yeah, but
It's
If
okay
you're-
at making swirls. It's
Yeah,
good clicky, but I just don't.
if you don't have a table, then you can't make slime bubbles because really old-fashioned ones don't really work that much.
That's what I mean. I mean old-fashioned.
Yeah, but stay for as long as the real old-fashioned one would.
I don't want to color either. It's supposed to be black, but it looks brown.
Do you look at slime when you play and you're like watching TV?
I don't usually play with slime when I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV now.
So
We're actually not.
I feel like this is actually a really good slime. I rated it a 9 because I don't look at slime when I'm playing with it, no matter what. I don't really look at slime. It's really nice clicky, like. Now, one of my favorite factors, do you know what it is?
Slime bubbles.
No.
Stretchy.
Satisfaction.
Oh, can I try a satisfaction test?
It's not really easy to do. I don't even think this one can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Like, when you squeeze it, the nice crunch, that's what I love about it. So, I say we rate it 9, 8, 7, a 6 because 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, so.
Wait, that one's a 6 too.
Oh.
Okay.
9
I think this one wins better than that one, anyways.
Okay.
I'm like changing my ratings. I'm not
Okay.
quite sure.
So
Okay.
this one is a 7, this one is a 6, this one is a 5,
5. That one
this
was
one
like-
is a 3.
Yeah.
We both rated 3. Okay.
Ready, sweaty, goey. Ready,
The first one.
fine. Ready, sweaty, goey.
And I win.
Ready, sweaty, blowy.
Okay, I'm gonna
Ready,
look at
sweaty, blowy.
Okay. I'm gonna
one
go with this one.
That's what I heard.
So this one is a cloud slime. It's actually made out of this slime.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it originally used to be orange, and then I dyed it colors, and then I mixed one slime into it. This is basically kind of the
That's
same
not-
thing. Yes.
There won't be much
There.
to split because.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this one's a lot better in actually cloud factor, though. Like, look at the cloud. Here, let me show you.
Oh, the cloudiness.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
It's nice.
Wait, satisfying
Looks like
test. Get ready.
It can't do a satisfying test, really. Well, like that type of test, yes, but watch. I love that. Do you think you have your rating?
Yeah.
Oh, listen to the click.
Okay, are you ready, Kaylee?
3,
2, 1, 4.
5.
You did 5 and I did 4.
So 3.
I don't like the texture just like that one. It's like moistery.
It's oily.
Yeah,
because it-
oily.
It's
But
because
I
it had
like,
to get soaked.
I love the cloud factor. So, oh, my hands are.
So
oily.
let's see. You rated it a 3, right?
4,
Four,
and you rated
and
it a 5.
So 5, 4. So it's a 4.
Yeah.
Okay. 5. It would actually be a 1.
That's how it would be a 4.
Okay, it's a 4. Oh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
How'd that happen?
Okay.
We have one more of Kaylee's and then all mine.
Rennie, Slenny, Gilly.
Really, Glenny, Gilly.
Wow. Okay.
Now you just, it doesn't matter anyways. We didn't have to do it because we have to be that one.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Stains your hands. That's what Kaylee said. That macaroni smells so good.
Okay, so.
You have to hurry so I can make that delicious smelling macaroni.
Okay, so this one is a perfect car travel slime. Literally, this was made for car traveling. It's a little rippy, but it does not stick. If I put my hands like this,
I'm gonna do a swirl.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10. You're sure it's not sticky?
It's because you have warm hands right now.
Oh my gosh, save
Yes,
me.
you have warm hands.
Oh wait, no, look.
Yeah.
It actually doesn't stick that much. That's actually really good.
Yeah. So, this is meant for car traveling.
I'm doing a swirl. I'm gonna do an Instagram swirl.
So am I.
Double Instagram swirl. Ooh.
This one's really good at making swirls.
Oh no, it's cute. It's a mini baby. I'm
Wait,
gonna try and
I
slide.
need the plate.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
What do you guys think?
Kaylee, you're starting to slide a little bit. I'm gonna try to make a slime bubble.
I don't think this one will really work.
Well, can I have both strands? Because that'll make it easier.
I'm gonna have that much. I want to try once, and then I'll give you both, and then you'll give me both.
That didn't work.
Okay, you can try once with all of it, and then I'll try once with all of it. Yeah, you can tell our hands are kind of blue.
Oh yeah, they're bluish green.
Yeah. We each get 2 tries.
We are the Aqua Hulk. Like the Aquaman and the Hulk, Aqua Hulk.
No, I'm the Hulk that just lives in the water.
Yeah, me too.
I love the water, honestly.
I called
do.
V the girl and you're
Okay.
the boy. Wait, no,
Nope.
you get 3 tries, remember?
Okay. Wait, you already did 2 though.
Whatever.
You just did 3. So I get to do 4. Oh.
That failed. That I didn't even do a slime. Sorry, slime. That kind of stuff. Yeah, this time I doesn't make slime bubbles.
Or it's just you.
That's mean.
No, not that much.
Stony hands.
Okay, that one was, it gave me holes. I went too fast. I see that sad face. I can see you in the camera.
That was too loud.
No, you're too loud.
That was. Oh wait, no, you get one more try.
Hi! Baby,
So I
die,
guess
die,
we're-
die, 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 baby, die, die.
Baby, baby shark, baby shark,
Oh,
That was
my
very
bubble.
quick. So Kaylee,
Yeah,
for this
yeah.
we're not gonna do rock paper scissors because it's already in order.
Okay.
But they're mine, so I go for them. You put
Yeah,
it
but
back.
we have to rate it. What do you?
Oh yeah,
stupid-
read that.
Okay, ready?
3, 2.
Wait, do you have a rating?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, 9. I give it a 9. I love it.
Only reason is
Only reason I don't like it is stainy and slime ball's not good.
tiny bit sticky, and then it stains.
Mine is it's stainy and I don't like that. It has no slime bubbles.
Yeah. Well, if you're this was
not
made
good.
for a car slime, so if you were in a car, you couldn't really do it. Well, on an airplane, you probably could, but
Or a train. I love trains.
I've never been on a train. So what'd you rate it? You rated it a 9?
Yeah. 9 minus 5.
No, that's a 1.
That's
no,
a 4.
it's,
No, it's
it's
a 4. 9 minus
8,
9 minus 5 is
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, right. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Oh, they're red floors.
Okay, which one beats it? This one beats? Okay, so this one.
5.
This one's a 3. This one's a 4. This one's a 5.
But these are both
6, 7.
3s.
This one's a 2. And plus it stains a lot.
Wait, these are basically the same thing. 2. Okay, now it's time for mine. Okay, this is my kinetic sand flow slime.
Yeah.
I just want to show it to them up close. It has foam beads. You probably can't see very well. But it's good for making old-fashioned slime bubbles, sort of.
A little tough.
Oh my gosh, it's really hard to rip. It's like, you've got to put a lot of muscle into it.
Here,
I'm going to try to make a slime bubble.
I want to try to rip
Wait,
it.
I want to show them. Here's
Okay.
a slime bubble. It doesn't even work.
Oh god, I can feel it.
It doesn't even work.
Here.
And then wait, Instagram all.
Okay.
I have to do all.
And then I want to test it. I saw some fallout.
That's okay.
You're doing better on your Instagram swirls. Just this one's a little tough.
Yeah,
so.
this slime was. Oh my gosh, I gotta get all
Okay.
this.
I wanna try it.
Like
Okay.
here, pull.
Here.
That's hard.
Hi. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god.
It's hard and rippy.
Oh, I got sand in
do
my
you
eye.
have do you have your ripping rating?
No, because I want to try it and I want to try a swirl.
I already have it. How'd you do that?
I'm going very slow.
It's gonna hit the floor, Kelly.
Yeah, but this one doesn't really stick. Here. Kind of roll it up. This is how I do it with rippy slimes. Go all the way down. And then I go up twice.
Now it has sand all over the plate.
There.
She is a magician. Wait.
Eat the beads.
Eat the bees. Eat the lovely beads. Eat
Okay.
the beads.
Okay,
eat the
I've got my
beads.
rating.
Eat the lovely beads.
Okay, I've got my rating. Ready?
3, 2, 1, 1. 1. So it's a 3 then.
Yeah.
That's a 3 too.
Let's say it's a. Do you want it to be your rating or this one be 1 and that one be 2?
No, this one's a 1.
Okay, put it in its container.
Actually, no, I think this is better than this one. I think this one's the worst.
So far, yeah.
You mean forever? Because mine are awesome.
Here, let's
All right,
play.
now it's time
Wait,
for
I'm stacking them.
my slime
Gotta stack them.
smoothie of that slime I just showed you and the next slime, but I can't show you that one yet because it's a surprise.
Okay.
Here it is. It makes really good Instagram swirls.
I got sand in my eye when I tried ripping the other one.
Oh, that's good. And then the cookie test, it's okay.
Nice.
It's probably because of the other one that made it super clicky.
Yeah.
And then now it's time for the old-fashioned slime bubble.
Yeah. It did it. It did.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? Then the regular slime bubble.
No.
Like, let me just do the regular slime bubble.
Nothing.
That won't work. Okay, so let me try that again. I'm scared. That failed.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna try 2 more times. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't know what you're gonna do, Kaylee. I see you. One more try. Fine. That sort of made some people. Your turn, Kaylee.
Okay, here. Give me the slime. Give me all of it. All of it. All of it. Fine. Okay, first test for me, Insta. Oh my beautiful.
Oh, my beautiful.
This one actually is making a really good swirl so far.
I love this one. And it's mine, so I get to keep it forever.
Yeah.
Can't take it from me, Kaylee. You can't take it from me.
I know. Oh my god.
That is
Best swirl ever.
Wait, can I have it back? Wait, put it
I'm
back down.
sorry,
I
that's
need
the
to see
best
it. I need
swirl.
to see it again. And that's how you ruin the best swirl ever. It actually still looks good. Isn't that good? Do slime bubble, do slime bubble, do slime bubble.
I will.
It's not the best at making slime bubbles.
Yeah.
Bop, 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 bop. Oh, that was
Wait.
super satisfying.
Okay, I've got my rating. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 10.
9. I give it a 9.
10. It's a 10.
This one is going to be better.
Wait, 10, 9. Oh, it can be a 9. It can be actually be a 9 because it's.
It would go on top of this one.
Yeah.
It actually fit, huh?
What? Oh, it wants to go upside down. Okay.
Alright.
Last
Then
one.
my best one.
Why?
What?
It not ticked over. It not ticked over.
Okay,
Okay,
this one
no moving.
is tell them about how like you know how what kind of slime it is and all that. Remember? This
It's one part of
this
slime.
is the second attempt I've ever made. Third I've ever done making slime, but the one I own. It's a mix of a jelly slime, right?
Yeah,
And
jelly.
a sticky clear glue slime. It's one of the hardest slimes to make, and it's only my third attempt at making slime. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't work.
There you go.
Super sticky. It also has foam beads. That's why I got the foam beads. Then time for slime bubble. Oh my gosh, I've never made slime bubble with it. Oh! Did you guys
You
see
made
that?
it. You made it.
If we could do slow mo, oh my god, that would look so cool. I have slow mo on my iPad.
I want to try.
Let me try again. I'm gonna try it from the front.
Can you do it? Nah.
No, it did
Yeah.
sort of. One more time. I'm gonna try something I've never done before, ever with slime.
What? Well, I guess I'll see.
A slime bubble. It's a sort of slime bubble. Oh my, it doesn't work. I was seeing a front back slime bubble.
Try.
Wait, no.
Pick up. Pick up. Pick up.
Oh, phew, this didn't stick. It just has hair on it now. But whatever, it already got
The
cat
hair.
on
The
it.
hair can come out. I hope.
It already got hair on it for my cat anyway, so.
Okay.
Can I try something? How about in a sec? Oh my gosh! It hit my fingers and that ruined it.
You made it.
Bad fingers. Wait, listen. It's listen for the question. Oh, fudge my hands! Oh, help me! Oh Lord! Oh my gosh, guys!
Here, get it off of that hand.
If you were, this was my.
Okay, put your
channel.
hand like this.
Wait, I got this. I got it. It's just in between my fingers.
Yeah. And then you can swipe it on the table. Okay.
Good enough. Make it old-fashioned. Are you trying an old-fashioned one?
No, I just want to do that. Okay,
My
so
hands still have
Insta
stuff on
first. Insta.
Insta, rinse. Oh, I didn't try instant casserole with it. I forgot.
Oh God! It stuck to my fingers.
I told you how sticky it was.
Not that sticky though, but still very sticky. So this is not a slime you would take on a car trip or something.
No. Beautiful. Okay, ready for your rating? I told you how good cookie it was. I want to cook
Okay,
it.
bubble. Okay, bubble time.
Super cookie.
It got my hair.
It's not your hair.
It did. Okay, so I'm gonna try it four different ways, like Sophie did.
Oh
You
my
can see
gosh! That is so big!
They saw that.
Yeah, I could see it in the camera. I looked to see it.
Okay. I'm really glad they did.
I keep forgetting this is a video, and I keep forgetting that's there because I'm having so much fun with this. Oh my gosh, we've been going for about 40 minutes.
Yeah, I always have like hour videos, Sophie.
Yeah.
You should know this.
I should know. I've done so many. That was a big one too, but it wasn't as.
Okay, I want to
It's
try
not
it
so
one
fun.
more time.
All right.
I want to try the front one more time, and then I have a special type of slime bubble that I've actually never done.
This is what I tried to do
No.
and failed.
that worked. Okay.
Let's move it to this way so it doesn't knock those anymore.
Okay. So. Working.
I think I know what you're doing. The satisfying slime bubble test. It works. Can I please try that? Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
but first we need one last thing. Satisfaction. It's not as good because I didn't do it perfectly the first time, but still did pretty good.
Okay, let me just try it.
Did you guys see what I did? I like boom.
You can't try again.
Ow. I stepped on my foot.
You stepped on your foot.
No, I stepped on my foot.
Oh, it worked for a second there. I don't think they can see that.
Okay, but
Oh, I just
okay.
didn't.
Are you ready
Rating
to rate?
time. I'm gonna put it just in there. Oh my god. That's
3,
2, 1, 10.
9.
I give it a 10.
Only because it's sticky. So
Actually, I
maybe.
think it's a 9.
So this one was an 8, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
that one was an 8. So this
That was a
one's
9.
9.
That's the winner.
Highest is 9. So this is the rating. Okay, so we're gonna go best to worst. Boom.
8. That one was
7.
7. Yeah.
6. 6.
Just a matter. They can't see it. I'm gonna switch you guys so you guys will be able to see it.
Be careful.
Just gonna do this. I don't know if this works. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. I can see
And
it.
this is the worst one of all. 2.
Spoof.
Oh my God,
I
guys.
wouldn't
I have
do
to
that.
hold this up right here.
Okay, put it back, Kaylee.
This is. Bye.
Okay then.
Okay, can you pick up that slime?
Oh, it bounced across the floor.
The slime that ran away.
The runaway slime. It sounds like it could be a book.
Sounds like it could be a movie.
The slime that ran away. Don't you dare put my slimes in there.
I'm not. I'm not going to.
Shut up.
Hey, no, I gotta be organized. No.
Oh, the video's still going. We should probably pause it.
Nah, it can't.
Or stop
Well,
it.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below saying you did subscribe. I love every single one of you. Every single one of you. And
Too, even though there's only 11 subscribers, and I'm one of them.
anyway.
Can I give one more shout out?
Yes.
Give a very special shout out. I want to give to someone that will probably never ever watch this video. Actually, she might. Ira Spray, my friend who moved
Dragon
away.
Destroyer.
Yeah, I just want to say one more.
Dragon song.
Oh yeah. It's raining tacos out of the sky. It's raining tacos, and I don't know why. Just close your eyes
Bye.
and open wide, 'cause it's raining
Bye.
tacos.